Hi, I'm Steve from Midlands LR Centre in Nottingham. Today I'm going to show you around our Disco 5 seat conversion. First off, moving the vehicle in, remove all the factory hardware, so the partition, the cage and the flooring. Once that's done, we trim a new carpet that goes from the original factory carpet to the back. This is moulded around the base of the floor. A plush carpet mat is overlaid just to give it a better finish. Next to go in is the actual bench seat itself. This comes with 3-point safety seat belts, Isofix points for your child seats. One benefit is the seat will fold flat, which I'll show you now. There's a safety latch in the boot. That just needs pressing down. There's another lever just on the side of the seat. That lifts up. Then the seat comes down, giving you the full access space. To fold the seat back up, it's a matter of just pulling the lever up again, pulling that, and then redoing your safety bolt. With the boot itself, the mat stays in there. You still get your cupboard flooring. The rear panels stay the same, they're not touched, so the black passing stays and all the boot is covered up. Then with regards to the windows, the black panelling is removed, then a genuine factory Land Rover trim is fitted around the window. Then as an added, you can add on the window activation at £295 plus VAT. It's a rear independently operated window on each door. Then to finish up, we also supply, from the manufacturer themselves, a certificate for the seat. So this seat conversion itself costs £3,995 plus VAT. So choose us here in Nottingham, Midlands LR Centre for your seat conversions.